Hello, boys and girls. Today's story is called Show and Tell Day. Show and Tell Day by Rockwell and Lizzy Rockwell. Thursday is my favorite day at school. It is Show and Tell Day. Everyone brings in something special to share. Guess what? Mine is a surprise. I asked Mrs. Madoff if I could be last. We sat in a circle and listened and looked. Kate showed us her baby brother's tiny onesie. She told us he's still too little to play with her. Michiko showed us the origami butterfly she made. She said butterflies are called cho-cho in Japanese. I like the way that word sounds. Charlie showed us pictures in his favorite book. He said he knew the words by heart. I know why he likes it so. I like fire engines too. Pablo brought in a pair of maracas and showed us how to make music with them. When Pablo shook his maracas, everyone stood up and shook and shimmied and danced. When we sat down again, Sam showed us a feather he found in his yard. I thought it was a blue jay's feather. Mrs. Madoff thought so too. Sarah brought in a hollow, painted wooden doll. She showed us a little doll inside of it and an even littler doll inside the little doll. Then there was a tiny, tiny doll inside of that. Then Jessica showed us the enormous blow-up plastic dinosaur that she got at the museum shop. It was a triceratops. Evan showed us the robot he built. Its arms could move and it rolled on wheels. Then Evelyn showed us pictures of her standing next to a big, tall palm tree on the island where she was born. But I could hardly sit still to look at them. That's because I knew my turn was next. Okay, close your eyes, everyone, I said. Then I put on my big, scary mask. My uncle and I made it together. He's a good artist, just like me. When my friends opened their eyes, they were very, very surprised. They didn't even know it was me. Yes, Thursday sure is my favorite day at school. I love show and tell. The end. Thank you for joining me for story time today, boys and girls. Do you have show and tell at your school? If it was show and tell day tomorrow, what would you bring in? That's something to think about. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.